In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall Roshade, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. This is honestly a really quick process. All you need to do is go to the original installed file that you had for Roshade, right here, and it's going to open up just like that. And all you have to do is click on uninstall, and you can remove the presets, the screenshots, the shaders and textures, and just click on uninstall. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.